It could perhaps lead to a major evolution of the law. A New York appeals court on Wednesday being asked to decide whether chimpanzees are entitled to legal personhood. Legal personhood? Attorney Stephen Wise of the Non-Human Rights Project is advocating on behalf of Tommy, a 26-year-old chimp, telling a New York appeals court panel that animals with human qualities, such as chimps, because of their human qualities, deserve basic rights, including freedom from imprisonment. Mr. Wise is seeking the release of Tommy from a private owner in upstate New York and for other chimps in other jurisdictions that he hopes the judges will declare to be persons rather than things, so they can be freed from what his group considers inhumane captivity. How did this case reach a New York State appeals court? 3 lower courts refused Mr. Wise's request to get Tommy and other chimps released to a Florida sanctuary which has lakes, islands, and other chimps to socialize with. Tommy's owner, contacted by the Associated Press, says Tommy has special needs and wouldn't be suited for the atmosphere of an animal sanctuary. Mr. Wise filed a writ of habeas corpus, a constitutional principle that requires an imprisoned person to have his say in court. Over the summer, the appeals court agreed to a hearing and granted a preliminary injunction to prevent Tommy's owners from moving him out of state. What are the chances the legal personhood argument will work? Legal experts are skeptical. Even the Humane Society of the United States has its doubts, its chief legal counsel calling it not a viable legal strategy because no court has ever considered chimps, or any other animal for that matter, to be entitled to the same legal rights as humans. But Mr. Wise says he has the science to prove chimps are autonomous beings and therefore entitled to at least one right, self-determination. Though Tommy can't say what he wants, Mr. Wise says research indicates that all chimps want to be living free among their own kind. That's the short answer.